Hello guys, in today's video I will show you the best NVIDIA settings to boost your FPS and reduce your input delay in your games. So the first thing, go to NVIDIA Control Panel, and here I will show you the best settings for your games. So the first thing first, you need to copy my settings, set max frame rate to off so you have an unlimited FPS in your games and better input delay. Also here in preferred management mode you need to select the preferred maximum performance, preferred refresh rate, laptop display. I have a laptop display, highest available. Shader cache size, you need to put it in 10 gigabytes. And also here texture filtering quality, you need to set it to high performance, exactly right here. And also this is it, guys. So this is the best settings. Also low latency mode, so you will have a better delay. Don't put it on ultra, just put it on and you will have a better performance. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.